Hi there everyone, Jojo here. Thanks very much for tuning into my channel today. If you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button. This channel is all about jumping rope or skipping, as they say in Australia, and hopefully improving your fitness and overall health. So today we've got a really easy one, but it's a really important one for those that haven't jumped before, and that's something that you all need to have to improve your form and generally get some feedback on what you're doing in your jumping, and that's mirror, mirror, mirror. You all need a mirror. Okay everyone, so today we're going to talk about the importance of practicing or jumping in front of a mirror. So in my 25 years as a golf instructor, the biggest complaint that most of my clients have after they leave a lesson is that they go away and they're not sure if they're doing the right or wrong thing. Jumping is exactly the same, and it's just as important when you're training or practicing on your own that most of you work in front of a mirror. So it's a bit easier if you're at a gym, but unfortunately you're not always at a gym. My home gym is in the garage and I've got my mirror set up all the time whenever I'm jumping. I'm looking at my form, I'm always checking where my arms are, I'm checking the symmetry of my arms, I'm always trying to do something that I'm working on with my form, and it's impossible to know if you're doing the right or wrong thing without the mirror. Now, video cameras are great if you can video yourself, but they're really difficult because they're not in real time. So you video yourself, you look back at it, you video yourself again, you look back at it again. It's so much more effective to have a mirror in front of you and doing it in real time. So the bottom line is, everyone, if you can get a mirror, please do so. It's the best practice aid you can actually have to get better at jumping, working on your form and all sorts of things. As I said, the video camera and the camera itself are good, but they're nowhere near as good as instant feedback. So hope you've enjoyed that little tutorial today. Just jump.